Hello, boys and girls. Merry Christmas, everyone. I'm here in the grotto this year for Christmas of 2015. What I'd like to remind everyone is that when you're asked to be on your best behavior, it's to make it so that that's the easiest, nicest way to make someone smile. And every time you make someone smile, it makes Christmas a little bigger. Until finally all the Christmas spirit and all the smiles and all the nice deeds and all the Merry Christmases come together, and it's so big it can go all around the world. And it can do it in one night. It's called Christmas Eve. On that night you'll be asked to go to bed as early as you can and be asleep, because magic is coming to your house. And magic doesn't like to be seen. It likes to be believed. So when you wake up on Christmas morning, I promise, it may not be everything on your list, but you'll have every reason to smile. So Merry Christmas to you. And please remember, when you're being good, it's to give someone else a gift. Now, who's next?